This is the Patriotic Welcome Door Hanger Stencil set from Essential Stencil, and you can get that with the Patriotic 2024 bundle. If you're quick, you can get it as a bundle for a really heavily discounted price. Now it comes in 3 layers. This is one of their layered stencils, which makes stenciling a whole lot easier. So I'm using it on an 11-inch round, but I would typically use this a lot better on a 12-inch round. I'm using Fort York Red by Fusion Mineral Paint. You can use my code IRESTORESTUFF at Essential Stencil and at Fusion Mineral Paint to get a discount, 10% off. And the 10% off Essential Stencil is a further discount to the already discounted bundle, which is amazing savings. Plus, if you order the bundle, you'll get a free $20 gift card from Essential Stencil to shop for other things as well. So that's great. So using Fort York Red, I've done 2 coats of the Fort York Red just because the high pigmentation of the reds really does need a second coat on the coverage because I'm doing it over a white background. The white I've used is the colour Casement by Fusion Mineral Paint. So that's our first layer there. Did the stripes in red. Now we add the welcome, which goes across the banner right there. And for the banner, I'm using a bright blue. You could use Fusion Mineral Paint's Liberty Blue for this. I'm actually just using another craft acrylic because I was out of my Liberty Blue at the time, but that's another great colour. Drying it off with a hairdryer and again doing a second coat because those brighter, more vivid colours really do kind of need to have a second coat. And then, so that's the second layer of this stencil set. It does have crop marks at the top that you can line each stencil set up with. And the last layer is going to be the stars that will go on top of the blue background. So we want to do those in white, and I've just chosen the same white as I did for the background, Fusion Mineral Paint's Casement. It's a lovely, true, bright white with just a tint of off-white in it, but really it does look really nice as a bright white. It's a very popular colour. But with whites, you do tend to need a couple of coats going over darker colours. So if I wanted to, I could add an extra coat there for those stars. Click on the links below to see all of the beautiful Patriotic Bundle stencils that are available. Use my code IRESTORESTUFF and save an additional 10%. There you go, finished product. I hope you like that. Thank you for watching. Bye.